Amazon challenges Nvidia with new AI initiative.
Amazon Web Services is offering $110 million in credits for researchers using its custom AI chip, Trainium, in an effort to compete with Nvidia's dominance in the AI chips market. Up to 40,000 first-generation Trainium chips will be made available, targeting university-led research focused on generative AI. AWS plans to publish Trainium's instruction set architecture, allowing developers to program the chip directly, contrasting with Nvidia's reliance on specific software. Additionally, Amazon is considering a significant investment in AI startup Anthropic, encouraging the use of its custom chips for running AI models.
Waymo expands robotaxi access in Los Angeles.
Waymo has removed the waiting list for its app in Los Angeles, allowing anyone in the city to book robotaxi rides. The service area spans 80 square miles, covering parts of downtown LA to Santa Monica, which is less than 20% of the city. Currently, Waymo operates about 100 electric Jaguar I-Pace SUVs, but plans to incorporate the more affordable Hyundai Ioniq 5 next year. Waymo is partnering with local organizations to enhance safety for women and the LGBTQ+ community, aiming to provide reliable and non-judgmental transportation.
Anthropic postpones Claude Opus 3.5 release.
Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei has announced a delay for the upcoming AI model Claude Opus 3.5 without specifying a new release date. Originally expected this year, the model's launch has been postponed indefinitely, reflecting a trend of delays in advanced AI language models. Amodei noted that the recently released Haiku 3.5 now matches the performance of the earlier Opus 3 while being more efficient. The development process involves complex training and fine-tuning, highlighting that advancements in AI often stem from detailed technical work.
Box expands enterprise AI capabilities with new tools.
Box has introduced the Box AI Studio, enabling enterprises to create and deploy custom AI agents for various workflows. The platform is built on collaborations with AI firms and permits organizations to select models and implement tailored instructions. Additionally, the newly launched Box Apps technology allows users to build intelligent applications within the Box platform without extensive development.
OpenAI hires former Meta hardware expert for robotics and consumer AI.
Caitlin Kalinowski, formerly with Meta, has joined OpenAI to lead its robotics and consumer hardware initiatives, focusing on integrating AI into real-world applications. OpenAI has also invested in Physical Intelligence, a robotics startup, highlighting its commitment to bringing general-purpose AI into physical environments. Rumors suggest that design legend Jony Ive might be involved in creating an AI-focused hardware device aimed at a more seamless computing experience.
Amazon aims to compete with Nvidia in AI chip market.
Amazon is set to introduce new AI chips to reduce its dependence on Nvidia while leveraging its significant investments in semiconductor technology. Annapurna Labs, acquired by Amazon in 2015, is leading the development of the Trainium 2 chip, which is designed for training large AI models and is currently being tested by companies like Anthropic and Databricks. As Amazon seeks to optimize its data center operations, it aims to rival Nvidia's market dominance by offering more efficient and cost-effective alternatives for AI processing.
New model unifies predictions of human responses to visual content.
Researchers at Google have developed UniR, a unified model that predicts human attention and responses to various forms of visual content like images and web pages. This model employs a multimodal encoder-decoder transformer architecture to analyze human visual behaviors, providing immediate feedback for optimizing user interfaces and design elements. UniR has shown superior performance across numerous benchmarks, outperforming traditional models in tasks such as predicting attention heat maps, scan path sequences, and subjective preferences.
OpenAI set to launch full version of O1 model soon.
OpenAI is expected to release its full O1 model later this year, as reported by The Information. This model, described as OpenAI's strongest, reportedly processes around 200,000 tokens and can accept image inputs. Currently, only smaller versions of O1 are available to users, with early access briefly offered before being restricted.
Key AI trends identified in 2024 study.
Generative AI is significantly enhancing productivity across various industries, with 92% of AI users focusing on this outcome and 43% reporting the highest return on investment from productivity applications. Companies are increasingly developing custom AI solutions tailored to their specific needs, indicating a shift toward more advanced AI fluency and capabilities in the market. The adoption of generative AI is rising rapidly, with 75% of businesses currently using it, and those employing it effectively see high returns, especially in financial services and healthcare.
Daria Matras becomes Meta's new VP for EMEA.
Daria Matras has been appointed as Meta's Vice President for Europe, Middle East, and Africa, succeeding Angie Gifford. Since joining Meta in 2015, Daria has successfully led business initiatives across various regions, focusing on growth for businesses using Meta's platforms. In her new role, she aims to collaborate with partners to maximize growth opportunities across the EMEA region.
Jensen Huang's unconventional leadership in AI dominance.
Under Jensen Huang's leadership, Nvidia has become central to the AI boom, with its GPUs dominating the market and drastically increasing the company's valuation to $3.4 trillion since the launch of ChatGPT. Nvidia's advanced GPU demand exceeds supply, while the company navigates potential threats from competitors and geopolitical challenges, necessitating continual innovation in its products and market strategies. Huang has promoted a full-stack approach in AI, fostering a large developer community around CUDA and expanding Nvidia's operations to include its own AI cloud services, which positions it against major cloud providers like Microsoft and Google.
Meta introduces new subscription model for ads in Europe.
Meta is launching a subscription option for Facebook and Instagram that allows users in Europe to access services without ads, with pricing reduced significantly to €5.99 a month on the web. In addition to subscriptions, users can choose a less personalized ad experience which relies on minimal data and will show context-based ads rather than targeted ones. These changes are in response to evolving EU regulations and aim to provide users with more control over their data while balancing the needs of advertisers.
Predictions about artificial intelligence advancements.
Darius Amodei from Anthropic mentioned that artificial general intelligence could arrive by 2026 or 2027 if trends continue as expected. He noted that this projection is uncertain and provided several reasons for skepticism. This discussion highlights the ongoing debates around the timeline for achieving true AGI.
Hugging Face develops small language models for robotics.
Hugging Face is focusing on small language models to enhance robotics capabilities beyond assembly lines, according to CSO Thomas Wolfe. These models promise low latency and can operate on various devices, potentially integrating into everyday appliances similar to internet-connected fridges. Wolfe highlighted that smaller models could achieve performance levels comparable to larger ones while handling simpler tasks efficiently.
Greg Brockman returns to OpenAI following leave of absence.
OpenAI co-founder Greg Brockman is back at the company after a 3-month leave from his position as president. He plans to collaborate with CEO Sam Altman on addressing important technical challenges in a newly defined role. Brockman's return follows several leadership changes at OpenAI, including the departure of former Chief Technology Officer Mira Murati.
Baidu unveils AI smart glasses in competitive market.
Baidu has launched artificial intelligence-powered smart glasses, aiming to serve as a personal assistant for users, powered by its Ernie large language model. The glasses, designed for features like calorie tracking and video shooting, will initially be available only in China, as the tech company competes with U.S. rivals like Meta and Snap. Additionally, Baidu introduced a new AI image generator, iRag, which is claimed to reduce errors through the use of enhanced information retrieval techniques.
Alibaba's Qwen AI unit launches new models for code development.
Alibaba's Qwen AI unit has unveiled the Qwen 2.5 Coder series, which consists of 6 models with parameter sizes ranging from 0.5 to 32 billion to assist developers in writing and analyzing code. The top model, Qwen 2.5 Coder 32B Instruct, excels in code generation, outperforming other open-source systems in benchmarks and supporting over 40 programming languages. These models were trained on more than 20 trillion tokens, making it the first open-source model to achieve this milestone, with plans for future enhancements in reasoning capabilities.
SoftBank strengthens its AI investment focus.
SoftBank has recently reported its largest quarterly profit in 2 years, reflecting a shift towards more focused investments in artificial intelligence technologies, including a recent $500 million stake in OpenAI. The company's chip designer ARM has also benefited from the AI boom, with its shares doubling this year, as the market anticipates significant growth in AI spending, projected to reach $336 billion in the U.S. by 2028.
OpenAI co-founder Greg Brockman returns to address technical challenges.
Greg Brockman has returned to OpenAI after a 3-month leave, where he will work alongside CEO Sam Altman on important technical issues within the company. His return follows the departure of several key executives, and only 3 co-founders, including Brockman, currently remain with OpenAI.
Fastino launches cost-effective, task-optimized AI models for enterprises.
Fastino has introduced a range of task-optimized AI models that operate efficiently on general-purpose CPUs, eliminating the need for expensive GPUs and promising significant cost savings for enterprises. The startup emphasizes that its models outperform traditional generalist models by focusing on specific enterprise tasks, such as structuring text and supporting retrieval-augmented generation.
Writer's innovative approach to agentic AI workflows.
Writer's co-founder and CEO, May Habib, emphasizes the importance of understanding business use cases and maintaining fresh data for effective autonomous AI implementation in organizations. The company's latest model, Palmyra X004, enhances AI functionality in workflow execution, showcasing potential applications in sectors like healthcare and finance.
Apple set to introduce new AI wall tablets soon.
Apple is gearing up to launch a wall-mounted tablet named J490 that will feature an AI platform called Apple Intelligence, capable of controlling smart home devices and facilitating video calls. This new device, which resembles a square iPad and will require an iPhone for some functionalities, is expected to be announced as early as March next year.
New AI features for Google Home launching this week.
Google Home's Gemini-powered features are now available on Android and are rolling out for Nest cameras to select Nest Aware Plus users in public preview. Additionally, Google introduced a customizable member access feature, allowing users to share specific devices with family and friends.
AWS negotiates AI Cloud DM for Nvidia GPUs.
Amazon Web Services is in talks for a $475 million deal to provide IBM with access to Nvidia GPUs through its cloud platform over the next 5 years. IBM plans to utilize AWS's EC2 servers equipped with Nvidia's AI chips for training its AI models using AWS's machine learning tools.
New Genmoji feature introduced in Apple software updates.
Apple has launched Genmoji, an AI tool that generates customized emojis based on user prompts as part of its iOS 18.2 update that is currently in public beta. This feature allows users to create emojis not only from written descriptions, but also from photos, and is expected to roll out more widely in early December 2024.
OpenAI's president returns after sabbatical.
Greg Brockman, OpenAI's president and co-founder, has returned from a 3-month leave of absence following the departure of several key executives. He is collaborating with CEO Sam Altman to establish a new position within the company.
Addressing gender disparities in the AI workforce.
A recent study revealed that the AI workforce has a significant gender gap, with 71% of AI-skilled workers being men and only 29% women, leading to concerns about future innovation and economic competitiveness. Experts recommend a multifaceted approach to close this gap, including targeted AI training for women, integrating AI literacy into education from an early age, and promoting visible female leadership in AI sectors.